ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 49 श्लोका 2। तत्रोपनन्दाभिधगोपवर्यो जगौ भवत्प्रेरणयैव नूनम् इतः प्रतीच्यां विपिनं मनोज्ञं वृन्दावनं नाम विराजतीति। Word by word meaning. Tatra, among them. Upanandabhidha Gopavaryaha. Abhidha, name. A leading Gopa by name Upananda. Itaha Pratichyam. To the west of this place. Vrindavanam Nama. Named Vrindavana. Monogyam. Beautiful. Vipinam. Forest. Virajati. There is. Iti. Thus. Noonam. Bhavat Preranaya. Certainly at thy prompting alone. Jagav said. Full meaning. Among them, a leading Gopa by name Upananda said, certainly at thy prompting, as the indweller, to the west of this place there is a beautiful forest named Vrindavana. Om Tat Sat.